Hey there, tech fans. Today we're diving into the super affordable Treatlife Smart Plug, the ultimate way to add smart home control to your home without breaking the bank. By the end of this video, you'll be controlling anything plugged in from anywhere on Earth. Let's get started. First things first, let's see what you're getting. Inside the box, you'll find the smart plug itself, a quick start guide, and that's it. No complicated setup tools or batteries required. This thing is ready to go straight out of the box. Before plugging anything in, grab your smartphone and head to the App Store or Google Play. Search for the SmartLife app. That's what Treatlife uses to control all its devices. Create a quick account, and you're golden. Make sure you have your Wi-Fi password nearby because we'll need it in just a moment. Now plug your Treatlife Smart Plug into any outlet. Open the SmartLife app and hit that Add Device button. Select Smart Plug from the menu, and the app will guide you through connecting to your home Wi-Fi. It takes about 30 seconds, and you'll see a satisfying blue light when it's connected. Here's where things get really fun. Tap on your plug in the app, and you'll see schedule and timer options. Want your coffee maker to turn on every morning at 7 a.m.? Easy. Just set it up here. You can create custom schedules for weekdays, weekends, or one-time timers. It's seriously powerful stuff for $11. Ready for hands-free control? Open your Alexa or Google Home app. Search for the SmartLife skill, and enable it. Link it with your account, and boom. You can now say, Alexa, turn on the lamp, or, hey Google, plug off to control your device. It works flawlessly and adds a whole new level of convenience. One of the coolest features? Remote access. Whether you're at work, on vacation, or across the world, you can turn any plugged-in device on or off from the app. Pro tip: enable two-factor authentication in your app settings for extra security. Plus, you can monitor energy usage right in the app to see how much power you're saving. You've got your Treatlife Smart Plug all set up and ready to rule your smart home. I'd love to hear what device you're controlling first. Drop a comment below. And if this helped you out, smash that like button and subscribe for more amazing tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy smart home automating.